Welcome to Mind Unlocked, the podcast where you discover that the key to possibility sits quietly within you, just waiting for you to turn it. I'm Anastasia Emmons, clinical hypnotherapist, and today I want to invite you to set aside everything you think you know about reality. Walk with me, and I'll reveal ways to create powerful change in your life just by partnering with your subconscious mind. Inspired by Neville Goddard's timeless teachings, current neuroscience, and my own passion for hypnotherapy. Let's begin with something most people miss. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract what they want? A loving relationship, a thriving career, better health, while others feel stuck, repeating the same patterns no matter what they try. Somewhere deep inside, you just know there's more to it than just chance, effort, or being in the right place at the right time. You watch someone gently expect good things and notice that somehow those good things always find them. Today, we're exploring a perspective with roots stretching back through ancient Egypt and now embraced by modern science. The way your subconscious mind is running the show behind the scenes. It's not magic, it's biology and history dancing together. It's about becoming the author of your experience, not just an actor in a script you didn't write. Picture this. Your life is a movie unfolding scene by scene, but have you ever asked yourself, who's writing the script? Most of us, without realizing it, accept storylines passed down by family, culture, old wounds, or even chance. We play our parts over and over, barely aware we could pick up the pen and edit the script for ourselves. The subconscious is the director behind the camera, quietly shaping every frame. Neville Goddard, whose influence is everywhere in modern manifestation teachings, said, "The subconscious is not selective. It accepts as true that which you feel to be true." He's right, but it's not only thoughts and feelings. It's the full sensory experience, the sounds, sights, taste, touch, and sense that your subconscious listens to most. Here's the truth, backed by neuroscience. If you carry a feeling deep down, such as, "I'm not enough, I can never have what I want, luck never finds me," your subconscious makes that the template for your reality. But the reverse is just as true. When you plant a felt sense of possibility, worth, and wholeness, the subconscious itself begins to reshape your world from the inside out. Let's go deeper. You don't have to keep playing a part you didn't choose. You can begin today to tell a new story as if you've already experienced what you want. But here's where most manifestation advice misses a critical detail. Neville Goddard described living in the end, acting as if your desire is already real. That's powerful, but the secret ingredient is this. Your subconscious doesn't speak the language of words alone. It learns and rewires through sensory experience. Let me share with you a real story to paint this picture for you. Not long ago, a man won the lottery. When reporters asked him how he managed to beat impossible odds, he said he'd imagined himself holding the winning tickets. Yes, but he didn't just see it. He felt the texture of the ticket in his hands. He imagined the wild rush in his body as he matched the numbers. He heard the buzzing silence in the room before the announcement, the sudden uproar when his win became real. He tasted the champagne. He smelled the ink and paper, the faint scent of adrenaline sweat. He didn't just visualize, he sensualized. This is what activates the creative power of the subconscious. The more totally you immerse your senses in the experience, you want, the more your subconscious responds. Not someday, but right now, in this moment. This is true for every kind of goal: love, money, health, confidence. Don't just see the image, hear what surrounds you, smell what's in the air, feel textures, weights, the tickle of sunlight, the hum of excitement. Taste the celebration. Let those moments live in your imagination until your body can't tell if it's real or not. That's when the subconscious starts working overtime to make the imagine become inevitable. If you're listening right now, you're already manifesting with your subconscious every second of your day. The only question is, are you sculpting something on purpose or just pressing repeat on the past? So this is where hypnotherapy becomes a game changer. You might have heard the myths, the woo, or the old stage show jokes, but here's the reality. Hypnotherapy is one of the oldest healing arts, dating back thousands of years to ancient Egyptians who knew the mind could influence the body. Today, science is finally catching up as medical studies around the world confirm what healers have always known. Hypnosis can rewrite beliefs, shift stubborn habits, and heal trauma at its roots. Working with a skilled hypnotherapist can help you safely access the subconscious mind, surface and clear out stored energies and negative beliefs you didn't know were holding you back, and plant powerful new truths in their place. It's not about giving up control. It's about taking back the steering wheel from the outdated programming. My guided meditation in the show notes below is crafted to help you connect with your subconscious. But if you ever feel you want to go deeper, hypnotherapy lets you resolve the origins of unwanted beliefs, release them for good, and set yourself up for real lasting change. Let's bring this back to you. Take a deep breath with me right now. Let it out slow. Feel where your mind drifts when you ask, what do I really believe is possible for me? Who told you that? Is it even true? What happens if you imagine a wilder, better story? Because here's the truth. The subconscious isn't working against you. It's your most powerful tool, working with whatever blueprint you hand it. Change the blueprint, and you change everything. Time for a quick practice. Recognize the old story. Get curious about what keeps repeating. Write it down. Name it, and don't judge it. Create your new world using all of your senses. Close your eyes. Imagine not just what you want, but what it's like in detail. What do you see? What sounds are around you? What does the air smell like? What are you touching or holding? What are you tasting? Allow your mind to play. The more details you invent, the more real it becomes to your subconscious. Feel the feelings now. Don't wait. Let yourself feel as though it already happened. The undercurrent of relief, joy, calm, excitement, whichever emotions match your desire. Your subconscious is listening to these feelings. Repeat it daily, especially before bed and as you wake up. These are the doorways to your subconscious. Dive into the guided meditation in the show notes, or consider hypnotherapy for more transformation. Both methods get your subconscious on your side fast. If you practice this, things shift. You tap into not just what Neville Goddard taught, but how the oldest healing traditions and today's neuroscience agree. Anything and everything is possible when the subconscious mind is aligned with your conscious desires. The world doesn't change first, you do. Then the world will follow. So try it for yourself. For the next week, just pick a single wish, a relationship, a bold goal, even a sense of peace. Use all your senses. Live the movie, don't just watch it. Run my guided meditation and let the process carry you. If you need greater change or feel stuck, know that hypnotherapy is a powerful, ancient, and now fully backed path forward. You are the shaper of your universe. Your subconscious responds to the story you tell with emotion, with senses, with full creative power. Give it something beautiful to work with. Thank you for joining me here today on Mind Unlocked. If you found this episode valuable, please share it with a friend. Check the show notes for my guided meditation. And remember, you can go even deeper with hypnotherapy if you desire. This is Anastasia Emmons, clinical hypnotherapist. Until next time, imagine boldly, sense it vividly, and partner fiercely with your own subconscious. That's where the real magic lives.